All right, so we have the Tacoma in the shop today. This is the Camberg Tacoma. We're doing an upgrade of these rear Deaver springs. These are the U402 Stage 2s. As you see on these springs, they're very tapered on every little leaf spring that they add. And then they have these 2 extra springs down below, and that's to carry extra load. We're gonna pair these up with the Fox DSC rear reservoir shocks that we've been running with the factory springs. You see the factory springs, only these 3 leafs with 1 overload. And you can see the difference here, how many more springs are in the pack, as well as the 2 overloads, so it's more progressive. We're doing this because of the Overland build and how we're doing it, and it'll wind up having a Go Fast camper mounted on the back, and we'll be able to handle the load. All right, so we got the rear springs installed. We have it all drooped out right now. You can see how much droop there is on this vehicle, so it's tons of wheel travel. So that's with the Fox shocks with DSCs and the Deaver Stage 2 springs. These are the U402s. Really beefy springs, and definitely has a more proud stance in the back. It's a little taller in the back right now, but we're gonna be installing this Go Fast camper. And when we get that put on the back, along with the build out inside, it's gonna lower the back down about 2 more inches. So this vehicle will have about 4 to 5 inches of droop, and the rest compression. Make a huge difference off-road. You guys are probably used to looking at leaf spring trucks sitting lower in the back. Really, they gotta sit a little taller in the back to get them to work a lot better. And the reason why is because you need up travel. The frames on the Tacomas are a little lower than some of the other vehicles. So when you get them up a little bit more in the back, it'll definitely help a lot on the compression side of travel. So you get a good 6 or 8 inches of compression travel, and having weight in the back makes them work way better. So that's where having these heavy duty springs and having some kind of camper in the back makes a huge difference on the performance. So anyways, thanks for watching. Big improvement. Deaver rear springs, they have them heavy duty like what we're running because we have the GFC that we're installing, which I'll take you over to that. They also have springs if you're just not loading it up at all and you just want 1 or 2 inches of lift. We have a bunch of different part numbers. You can contact our sales staff and they'll get you dialed in. But that's the Go Fast camper we're putting on the back. We'll show a video of that getting installed shortly. So make sure to hit the like, leave a comment, ask us questions, and we'll do our best to answer you. Thank you for the support. Make sure you subscribe to our YouTube page and send a message to your friends. Have them get on board with following us as well. We're gonna start doing some informative DIY videos so you guys could do the stuff at home. We'll be helping you out with that. Thank you.